Sasha. Auto expert Mike Caudill has an exclusive look at the next wave of vehicles being introduced for the very first time.
Well, thanks, guys. And yes, you're right. Even though there are no auto shows, we're still bringing some of the hottest cars to you that you would have seen at the auto shows. And today we're in a very special place. This is actually called the Curiosity Lab down here in Peachtree Corners, Georgia. And this is the world's first municipality-based smart city. So what you're seeing on screen right there is actually called the Local Motors Ollie, and that is a fully autonomous shuttle. Now, what's great about this is automakers come down here to test how cars communicate with one another, making our streets a whole heck of a lot safer for people when they're out either on bicycles or on the road or pedestrians. And speaking of communication, Ford showing off its all-new F-150. It will come with level 2 autonomy. And on the interior of this vehicle is what people are talking about. You have this table that folds down to allow construction workers to put their computers on it, or a fully retractable bed so you can lay down on the inside of your truck. Plenty of storage, and this inverter, Ford says, will power your home. Lexus showing off the all-new 2021 IS, and this is incredible. It's bolder, it's sportier. They added 19-inch wheels to give it more rubber to the pavement because this car is so fast. And it will come with Toyota's Safety Sense technology, Lexus's version of that. And of course, you'll have this beautiful red interior as well. The all-new Nissan Rogue, this is it, 2021, with a beautiful red exterior. This will be all-wheel drive, so you can get off-road with it. And of course, on the interior, a two-tone color and these beautiful seats. Nissan really working to integrate a slice of luxury into the inside of their vehicles. And of course, you'll get Nissan's Safety Shield technology as well. All right, the all-new Toyota Venza, it is back, and this is a crossover utility vehicle. What they're doing with this vehicle at Toyota is all about style with performance. You will get all-wheel drive as an option. It will only be offered in a hybrid version, not to mention you will get it packed with technology, this beautiful big touchscreen on the inside, and of course this panorama sunroof. If you want a little bit of performance, I have got two incredible vehicles for you. This is the all-new 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, more than 700 horsepower, and it will be the most performance-based SUV in the market. 0 to 60 time, less than 4 seconds. And you've got this right here. It's the all-new 2021 Charger SRT Hellcat. This is the red-eye. It's lower to the ground. It's got that wide-body look. Listen to this, 797 horsepower. A NASCAR stock car has 850 horsepower. This thing is blistering fast. All right, we've got some other vehicles for you. You want to talk minivans? I love the all-new 2021 Toyota Sienna minivan. They are integrating into the exterior of this thing a whole series of performance-oriented design cues. It will come in a hybrid. That's the Platinum Edition. And look at this. You get ottoman seats in that second row. You get a vacuum. And, of course, to keep your beverages cold, you get a refrigerator. All right, ready for this? Some of the biggest news with Nissan is this all-new Sentra. Sophisticated, elegant. They really want consumers in the market to look at the Sentra as a small luxury sedan. The interior is refined. You'll get a ton of technology on the inside of this with Nissan's Safety Shield technology. And of course, since we're talking about a smart city, we are talking about the all-new Ford Mach-E. Those that put a deposit on this last year, right after the LA Auto Show, and they sold out, are now going to get ready to make their final payments on this vehicle, and they will be hitting dealerships later this year. And of course, I'm going to close it out with two different things for you. Of course, the Ford Bronco, big news last week, but this right here, this is actually called the Go RX scooter. And with this Go RX scooter, you're using this technology by a company called Tortoise. Think of it like Uber. You can actually hail the scooter and have it come right to you. So a lot of cool technology right here at the Curiosity Lab at Peachtree Corners here in Georgia. For now, back to you guys in the studio.